Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to delete video clips. We can delete the videos from media gallery and we can free up some space. So that's what I'm going to explain. So now giving OK, go to settings. We need to go to settings. So go to storage. We need to choose console storage. So going to media gallery. So lot of things actually automatically it's recording, I guess. Okay, I'm going to delete all this or one by one. First we'll delete one by one. Okay, so choose the video clip and then press this options button. So here you can choose this delete. Simply delete it so that you will get some free space. Okay, but I'm going to delete all the recorded video clips. Here we need to go to select multiple. So I'm going to choose that. So I'm going to choose select all, and here I'm going to choose this delete. 155 items is there. Okay, super cool. So everything is deleted now. So this is the way you can clear up some space in console storage. So that's it, friends. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedback from my dear friends. Thank you. Bye and take care.